All right, now let us do at scenario 2 of September-December 2020 exams. And here it is the requirements. We have three requirements in scenario 2. First of all, we have the requirement related to calculate the gain loss arising on the disposal of single company in the consolidated financial statement of the Carl Group, 4 marks. And then we have second requirement, which we will look at later on. So at 1st January 2008, X8, the Carl Group consisted of the parent Carl company and two wholly owned subsidiaries. There were no intergroup transactions during the year. The sale of one of the subsidiaries, Sinker Company, was completed on 31st December 2008 when Carl Company sold its holding of 20 million cash. Sinker Company had net assets of 29 million at the date of disposal. The sale does not meet the definition of the discontinued operation and has been correctly accounted for in the consolidated financial statements. The gain loss on the disposal of the single company is included in administrative expenses. The Carl company had originally purchased single company on 1st January 2002 for 35 million. The fair value and the carrying amount of net assets of single company at the date of acquisition was 28 million. Goodwill was considered to be 70% at the 31st December exit. Okay, cool. Now, let us move to the our Excel sheet and let's bang on. So, firstly, what we have. Okay, let us first do the working for this, and that is working related to the goodwill. Working goodwill. Cost of investment is 35 less net assets at acquisitions. How much was that? Negative 28. Goodwill at acquisition. Simple, very simple. Is equal to sum this and this. 7, right? Goodwill at acquisition. 7. Okay. Finally, goodwill impairment. How much is that? Minus 4.9. Carrying amount of goodwill. Is equal to sum 7 minus 4.9, 2.1. Right? Done. Goodwill. Now we have to do the calculation for loss on disposal. Loss on disposal. Disposal in the consolidated financial statements is disposal proceed. How much? 20. Less net assets. Minus 29. Less carrying amount of goodwill. Working one. is the reference for it. 2.1, that was. So loss on disposal simply is equal to sum and just drag and drop 11.1, and we are done with the first requirement.